watching today's video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. In today's video, I am bringing an unboxing of the Apple Magic Keyboard. A few months ago, I purchased the iPad Pro and I have been loving it so much. And I just wanted to get the keyboard because I don't know, I just wanted to. I've been watching a bunch of videos on it and I think it's something that'll be very helpful with school. I know they have the, I think it's called the Smart Folio keyboard, something like that. But reading reviews, I just felt the Magic Keyboard was the better option for me. I do have my laptop, and on days that I don't want to take my laptop, I think this is a really good alternative. And there are days where I don't know really how my school's doing it. I know it's mainly going to be remote, but I may have to go into class here and there once in a while. They haven't really decided how they're doing it. But anyway, so I thought the Magic Keyboard would be a really good investment for me. So here we go with an unboxing. What's interesting is I purchased it online and it was delivered in this bag from Apple. It did have a sticker here with my name and address and all that, but I took that off. And the top, it ripped, but it has these pretty cool tabs, sticker tabs. Like I said, they ripped, but the idea was to rip them off like that. And there we go. There are two items in here, so we will be unboxing both of them. The first thing, which is the heaviest, is actually I purchased the USB super drive. Something that I thought I needed for DVDs, CDs, or whatever that I need to watch on my computer. And the newer laptops do not have a drive like this, so you have to purchase it separately. I know, it's an Apple thing. They got rid of it, of those drives for some reason. It's so weird to me that they got rid of it, but so this is the USB drive. So there you go. This is the USB super drive. I don't know if they have it in the USB-C that my laptop has, but if not, it's really no big deal because I do have adapters from USB to USB-C. But it's good to have. So there's that. And next is what you all came here to see. The iPad Magic Keyboard. It has a pull tab here. Let's get it. my god, it's so pretty. Let's lift it. Wow, there's a little bit of weight to it. Oh, this is so pretty. It's soft. Oh man. So the iPad is supposed to just attach magnetically. You can charge it with your already USB-C. Oh man, the keyboard, the keys feel nice. How much does it open? That's as far as it goes. Oh, it has a really pretty embossed Apple logo right there. I don't know if you can see it. Very nice. I do have it in right now in this basic black case. Now what's gonna suck is this doesn't have something to hold my pencil. This case does. I do have a rubber grip on it. Let's get her out of here. Another thing that I did purchase for my iPad was a cover for the lens here, just to protect it. You see here the magnets. Oh, dang, that was a hard snap. Okay, so with this case, it actually feels as heavy as my laptop. It's a nice trackpad. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. Cool. Wow. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. my god, this is just too cool, you guys. You get to an app on your cursor, it highlights it. And wiggles it a little bit. Let's do a blank document. I clearly cannot spell. Wow, this is so cool. Alright guys, let's see. Let's see if my pencil will attach still. Yep. Very cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. It does have a nice weight to it though, seriously. Oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of my magic keyboard. Alright guys, thanks so much. Bye.